Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Destiny Child Kitchen Review. In today's recipe I will be showing you guys how I make my pancake. We'll be putting our milk, our yeast, our butter, yeast. Just means we are putting our egg, we are stirring, put our flour, mix it very well. Now we have mixed. I'm going to be putting it inside the blender to blend and so that it can be mixed very well. Just add it inside the blender. Going to be putting our honey. Finish blending. Turn it back in the bowl. You see, it's very smooth. Here is our pot. I just put on the gas. Put it in a very low heat. So we are going to be taking it away. We are putting our flour, so here is our pancake. So here is our outcome of our pancake. You see, it's weekend, so this is what my kids demand to eat for their breakfast. So this is the breakfast of for my kids. So guys, thank you. Anytime you come across my video, please kindly watch, subscribe and like. God bless you, and more video will be coming from me. Bye. This is my pancake.